Assalamu alaikum and very good morning all of you. Hello, are you there? Are you there? What was the topic which I have taken last week? You have seen many pictures and objects in a train, in the moving train. You have seen many things. Can you say the names of all those pictures? Have you tried in your textbook? You can identify all the pictures, right? Okay, so now in this class, first I am going to show you how to write. Okay, so which was the letter which we have learned last week? Yeah, letter T. Which is this letter? Letter T. You can see both the mama letter and baby letter T. Okay, you can see both the mama letter and baby letter T. Now I am going to show you how to write this letter. Ready? Okay, listen here. One standing line, one sleeping line on top. This is how we write mama letter T. Very easy, no? Very easy. Yes. Once again, listen to how to write mama letter T. Listen here. Yes. One standing line, one sleeping line on top. Very easy, isn't it? Yes, this is how we write mama letter T. And now I will show you how to write baby letter T. It's also very easy. Please listen here. Yes, you want to put a standing line and just a curve. Then put a sleeping line. Okay, once again, a standing line, a curve, then a sleeping line. This is how we write baby letter T. Once again, you look both the mama letter and baby letter, how to write it. Yes, this is how we write mama letter T. And this is how we write baby letter T. Okay, you can practice in sand, on the wall, with your fingers, in your slate. Okay, very easy it is. So till now we have learned two letters. We have learned how to write it. So we want to practice it. Which are those two letters? We have learned L and T. L and T. What is the sound of L? L. And what is the sound of this letter? T. What is it? T. What is it? T. Okay, you have learned both the mama letter and the baby letter. Right. So now I just want to recall the names of all the pictures which you have learned last week. Ready? Ready? So all the pictures are here on the board. All the pictures are here on the board. These pictures are there in your textbook also. And all these pictures starts with the same letter. Which is that letter? T. And what is the sound of it? T. Okay. What is the letter? T. And what is the sound of it? T. So shall we look? Which are those pictures? Yes, my dear children. Tell me, what is the first picture? Yeah, teddy bear. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off to school. There are many rhymes, okay? But you just identify the picture. What is this picture? Teddy bear. Okay. Then the next picture. What is it? Grrr. What is it? Yeah, tiger. It's our national animal. Okay, tiger is our national animal. And tell me which is the next picture? Torch. If there is no current, we use this, right? Yes, torch. And tell me the next, what is it? You are very fond of it. What is it? Yes, toys. What is it? Toys. Okay. Then the next picture, you just look. What is it? Puffy train, noisy little puffy train. If you are going to the town, puffy train, please take me. Puff, 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 shh, shh, shh. Puff, 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 shh, shh, shh. Okay, so what is it? Train. What is it? Train. Then the next one, tree. Yes, which gives us oxygen to breathe. Okay, tree. And the next one, everybody's home, it is the, what is it? Yes, table, right? You may be having dining table, you may be having study table, right? You may be having a working table like that, right? Yes, table. And the next picture, what is it? What is it, Mackles, which you are very fond of, where you watch cartoons and all? What is it? Yes, television. What is it? Television. Yes. Then the next one, what is it? Truck, which carry things from one place to another, like sand, stone, like those things. Yes, yes, truck. What is it? Truck. And the next picture, please tell me, what is it? Yes, teapot. Teapot, right, which you can see in our drawing room or living room. Teapot, yes. And the next one, last week I have shown you the play also, which is that, what is the name of this ball? Yes, tennis ball. What is it? Tennis ball. Yes. The next picture which we use, in which we will pour tea and we will pour it out to the cup. What is that? Yes, teapot. What is it? Teapot. And the next one, what is it? Yes, top. What is it? Top. It is also a toy which we use to play, right? Yes, top. What is it? Top. And the next one, which gives us, if we open it, water will come out. What is it? Yes, tap. What is it? Tap. The next one, teeth. What is it? Teeth. We all are having teeth to chew our food, right? Yes, teeth. And the last picture, look. Yes, tie, which we used to wear with the coat, right? Some shirt also we used to wear this tie. Yes, these all pictures are starting with the same letter T. And what is the sound of it? T. What is the sound of it? T. And you have seen both the mama letter T and baby letter T, right? You have learned how to write mama letter T and baby letter T. You have learned the sound also, right? Yes. What is the sound of T? T. What is the sound of T? T. Okay, very good. So my dear children, you have identified all the pictures. So I am giving you some stars. Take the stars. Look. Yeah, these are the stars for you. Yeah. So look, when I give this star for you, a song is coming to my mind. So for singing that song, I want to go and stand in the sky. Okay? I want to go and stand in the sky. Shall we look? Yeah, now I am in the sky. You can see, look, this is night sky, okay? Not day sky, night sky. And you can see a moon. Moon gives us light at night. കണ്ടില്ലേ അമ്പിളി മാമനെ അമ്പിളി അമ്മാവ താമര കുമ്പിളിൽ എന്താണ്. Okay, there is one song like that. Look, You can see the moon at night in the sky, and you can see something twinkling, 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 twinkling. So many are there. What are these? Yeah, stars. So at night we can see moon and stars in the sky, right? So I'm going to sing a rhyme for you about the stars. Ready? Listen to me. Okay? Listen to me and try to sing. Okay? Yes. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Look, the stars are just like diamonds, no? Yeah, the stars are just looking like diamonds in the sky. Diamonds in the sky. Yes. Shall we recite it once again? Yes. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Okay, once again, repeat after me. Okay? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Say, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Like a diamond in the sky. Nice, no? You all try to learn this rhyme. Okay, my dear children, the topic T is over. You learned the letter, you learned the mama letter, you learned the baby letter, you learned how to write the mama letter and baby letter. You learned the pictures with the letter T, right? Yes. So tell me once again, which letter we have learned today? Yeah, letter T. We have learned both mama letter and baby letter T. We have learned both mama letter and baby letter T. And what is the sound of T? T. What is the sound of T? T. And my dear children, in your book there is that yellow column, no? Yes. Ask your mama or parents to read those words, and you have to take your pencil and you just want to underline letter T in it. Okay? You want to underline letter T in that. Ready? Okay. Inshallah, next week I will come with a new letter. Till then, Sajna Ma'am is signing off. Bye bye. See you. Assalamu alaikum.